Elevate your cooking experience with the Ewfen 3-ply stainless steel 11-piece cookware set. Designed for home chefs and culinary enthusiasts, this premium cookware collection delivers professional-level performance while ensuring durability, safety, and ease of use. Whether you are sautéing, simmering, boiling, or frying, this complete set equips you to tackle any recipe with confidence and precision. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. This set includes a 1.5-quart saucepan, 2.2-quart saucepan, 3-quart sauté pan with lid, 9.5-inch skillet, 10-inch skillet, 6-quart stockpot, and a steamer insert, all complemented with tempered glass lids featuring wide rims. From quick weeknight dinners to elaborate gourmet meals, this comprehensive cookware collection ensures you have the right tools for every cooking task. Crafted using multiply-clad technology, this 3-ply stainless steel cookware set combines a 304 stainless steel interior for safe, non-toxic cooking, a thick aluminum core for even heating, and a 430 stainless steel exterior compatible with all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic glass. This combination guarantees superior heat distribution, eliminates hot spots, and ensures every dish is cooked evenly. Each piece is designed for durability and ease of use. The mirror finish exterior is sleek, dishwasher-safe, and resistant to warping or discoloration, making both cooking and cleanup effortless. The tempered glass lids lock in moisture and flavors, while the riveted stainless steel handles provide a secure, comfortable grip and stay cool during use, enhancing safety and handling in the kitchen. Pouring and draining are simplified thanks to molded spouts and built-in draining holes, allowing you to serve broths, sauces, and pasta without mess. This cookware set is not just functional. It's engineered for performance and convenience, ensuring that every cooking session is stress-free and enjoyable. Key benefits of Ewfen 3-ply stainless steel 11-piece cookware set: durable and professional. Premium 3-ply stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting use and even heat distribution, safe and non-toxic. 304 stainless steel interior is free from harmful chemicals and provides a safe cooking surface for all meals. All-in-one versatility includes all essential pots and pans, compatible with induction and all stovetops, with pour spouts and draining features for easy serving. Why this set is perfect for you home chefs seeking professional quality cookware for everyday use. Families and health-conscious cooks who prioritize safe, non-toxic cooking. Anyone looking for a versatile, complete cookware set that works on any stovetop. Cooking enthusiasts who want durable, stylish, and easy-to-clean pots and pans. Additional features that make this set stand out: tempered glass lids, lock in flavor and moisture while allowing easy monitoring. Cool handles, ergonomically designed riveted handles that stay safe to touched, dishwasher safe. Effortless cleanup after busy cooking sessions. Even heating. Thick aluminum core distributes heat uniformly for consistent results. Built-in pouring and draining. Molded spouts and drainage holes make serving easy. Sleek mirror finish adds elegance to your kitchen and resists discoloration or wear. Investing in the Ewfen 3-ply stainless steel 11-piece cookware set is a step toward professional quality cooking at home. Its durable construction, ergonomic design, versatile compatibility, and elegant appearance make it ideal for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen setup. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meals, stuck pans, and complicated cleanup. With this cookware set, cooking becomes effortless, safe, and enjoyable. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and order yours today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.